Hi guys, and welcome to Adriano's Classic Garage. Today I'm going to talk to you about something that many of you ask me, which is the toxic waste 500. And I feel very guilty about that because I made the video more than 1 year ago. I put the car in storage and I had so many crazy ideas for it, and then I did nothing with it. But that's going to change.
Lo so, siamo venuti apposta.
Aspetta.
Hai controllato se l'olio o qualcuno? Mo' vediamo. Mettila su YouTube sta palanca.
La metto. Come no?
Prego, dottore.
Ui!
Aspetta. Pezzo giusto, macchina, ti ho fatto la cappottina dietro con il 8.
Yes, guys, the Toxic Waste 500 is getting restored, and I'm super excited about it because this leads me to another big announcement. We are opening a classic car business, so from now on, all of you guys asking me to source a car from Italy for you, or maybe you come to Rome and you want to drive a 500 or other cool cars, actually, I'll be able to do that for you. So guys, subscribe to the channel because in the upcoming future there's gonna be a lot of great stuff on the channel. I'm gonna make a bunch of how to buy a classic car episodes because we are actually gonna buy a bunch of classic cars. And then you totally don't want to miss the Toxic Waste 500 restoration. See you in the next video, and that's gonna be probably very soon. Bye bye!